Alrighty, hello everyone. Welcome to everyone's favorite maths YouTube channel, Mr. Buchanan's channel. Today we're going to be learning about using linear equations to solve some worded problems. And essentially all you got to do is just basically turn the worded problem into a linear equation, and then you solve for the unknown. And here are two examples here. And who would want to know the answers to these is beyond me. But anyway, let's try and have a go and see if we can do it. Yeah, all right. 3 children earn weekly pocket money. Andrew earns $2 more than Gina, and Katya earns twice the amount that Gina earns, and the weekly pocket money the total is $22. How much does Gina earn? How much do Andrew and Katya earn? All righty. So what do you do? All right, well, let's just say here, let's say I'm going to use, what variable should I use? Let's just say pocket money. So let's do, I'll put that back there. So let's say here, pocket money of Andrew is going to be $2 more than Gina. So let's just say, let's have an equation for Andrew. We'll have an equation for Gina, and we'll have an equation for Katya. So PA, PG, PK. Cool. So both of those are in relation to Gina. So let's just say Gina earns X dollar bucks. Now, it says here Andrew earns 2 more than Gina. So here's going to be whatever the pocket money Gina earns plus $2. So if we're saying, that Gina has X, it's just going to be X plus 2. And PK is twice the amount of what Gina is. So it is 2 times PG. So it's just going to be 2 lots of X there. Okay. And we know that the total is equal to $22. So let's go ahead and write an equation for that. So I know that PA plus PG plus PK is equal to 22. So that means X plus 2 plus X plus 2X is equal to 22. So let's simplify. We've got 4X plus 2 is equal to 22. So that means 4X is equal to 20. And that means X is equal to 5. So now we can go up here and we can say, well, what does everyone earn? So we can go, well, X is 5. So that means PG is equal to X. So it's equal to 5. PA is equal to X plus 2. So well, that's just going to be 7. And PK is equal to 2X. So it's equal to 10. Let's check. It should also total of 22. 5, 7, 10, 22. You beauty. Alrighty. Yeah, so I suppose just write out what you know, but I hope that was clear what I just did then. Anyway, this next one's a bit of a doozy, but let's have a go at this one here. So we've got Ping and Anna compete in a handicap sprint race. Anna starts the race 10 meters ahead of Ping. Ping runs at an average speed that is 20% faster than Anna's average speed. The two sprinters will be level in the race after 9 seconds. Find the average speed of Anna and Ping. Who writes these questions? This is pretty incredible. Alrighty. All right, let's come up with a little diagram, shall we, to visualize what's going on here. All right, so let's just say this is the race here. I'm just going to do a little bit of a dotted line, and then we go here. All right, so let's just call this Anna here and Ping there. We're not knowing anything, so we know that Ping runs a particular distance, and that's 10 meters. That's 10 meters there. So that means Anna runs 10 meters less than Ping. So if Ping runs X, Anna's going to run X take 10 in distance. And this is, we know that they are level after 9 seconds. Cool, so I've got that information there. And just the formula I'm going to use for this is we're talking about, speed, distance, time. And so just a formula that relates those ones there is speed is distance over time. So we need to know that to help us. So that is the information that we've got. Oh, and we're also told that the speed of ping is 20% faster than Anna's speed. So let's just do this. So let's come up with a few different equations here. So because we know speed is distance over time, I'm going to say, okay, let's do this. The speed of Anna is equal to the distance. Well, she's running. Her distance is x take 10, and she runs for 9 seconds. And the speed of ping is, well, he just runs x meters over 9 seconds as well. So they've got those two there. And then we also know that ping is 20% faster than Anna. So whatever Anna's speed is, if you increase it by 20%, that's what he's doing. So basically, if you increase something by 20%, the multiplier is 1.2. So 1.2 times the speed of Anna. Okay. And then, so let's write that out here. So we know that the speed of ping, which is x over 9, is equal to 1.2 times the speed of Anna, which is going to be x take 10 over 9. Now, I don't like dealing with both fractions and decimals because really I've got to multiply everything by 9. Then 1.2.9 is 8.4. So let's just go ahead and make that fraction a decimal a fraction, which is 6 over 5. So make it easier. So x over 9 is equal to 6 over 5 times x take 10 over 9. Alrighty, so we've got 9 and 5 there. Lowest common multiple is 45. Let's go ahead and multiply everything by 45. 45 over 9 is 5, so 5x. 6 9s are 54. Lots of, and then also by 5. What do we got here? So 9, and then by 5 lots of x take 10. Make those square brackets. So essentially, let's do all that again. So what we're going to do is we're essentially multiplying everything by 45. So all right. So that's going to give us, oh, not 6, 5x. Now, this numerator denominator here, 5 9s are 45. 45 over 45 is cancelled out. So we're just left with 6x take 10, like that there. So 5x is equal to 6x take 60. All right, then we take x from both sides. So minus x is equal to minus 60. X is equal to 60. So the distance ping runs is 60. Then what are we doing? Find the average speed. So average speed, well, here's our average speed of both of them there. So let's come back up and state our solutions. So the speed of Anna is going to be 60 take 10 over 9, and the speed of ping is going to be 60 over 9, like that there. So that's going to be 50 over 9 and 60 over 9. So what's that roughly? Let's get the old calci out. So 60 over 9. So that is 6. I'll just round it to 1 decimal place. So 6.7 meters a second and 50 over 9. 5.6 meters per second there. So again, a little bit of a challenging one there, quite a bit of work. Yeah, so just have a go. Don't worry if you can't get these. These are a little bit tricky here, but try your best, see how you go, and just send through any questions you got. Cool. Thanks, guys.